Let's go, man. Straight up. You right? All easy, man. Easy stuff. You're right. Yep. Climb that. Climb that. Yeah, climb that. Driver's a little. Driver. That's it. Hard, hard, hard. Move. That's front diff. Yep. Go fucking right hand down. Yep. Yep. Woo. Slowly, slowly, slowly. A little bit more. Yep. Now you're gonna come hard to me. Let's go a little bit of a crawl and see what happens. Keep going, keep going. You've got about to climb a rock. Climbing. All right, a few numbers. Go. Yep, that's it. Yep, that's it. That's it. Hey, this way. Get ready. Left tyre up this. Right tyre. Yeah, yep. Yep. Yep, that's it. Straight, straight, straight. Keep going straight. Yep. All right, we're going, coming up down the hill, so your big dice turn. Yep. Lock us out if you have to. Yeah, steady, steady, slow down. This is all just nice, straight. Keep, no, go towards you, go. Hard, hard. Slow, slow, slow. Yeah, man. Slippery. Holy shit, right there. All right. No, you're straight towards me, mate. Keep shut him down. All good. You're gonna stop where I am, but so I'm gonna go again. Towards you. Yep. There's a rock face here, you've got to go square to it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, no, it's still good. Make sure you stay hard to your side, but yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yep. Stop there. Let me go down further. Just want to get out of the way if something goes wrong. Right, straight at that, mate. Straight at that. Just straight. Leave it like that. Just keep going. Be a bit ugly, but yeah. Pass. Driver. Yep. Just stop there again. That's all right, sweet. Keep going, let's go, it's a highway. Looks like everyone's come up here and around it. Where we gotta go? Over that? Yep. Yep, good work, good work. Passenger, miss that cone, miss the cone. Might just have to get a little bump up over this step. At that. Yeah, keep going, no, keep going. Wait. Stop. Oh, you'll get it. Yep. That's the bit you needed a bump. Sorry, mate, I got out of the way. Stop there. At that, a bump. Yep. Passenger a little, passenger a little. Yeah, oh, so, and this way now. You just missed it, that's good. This way, yep, all right. Pass it. Yeah, so passenger a little. Just to square you up, yeah, that's it. Drive straight. Nice and steady. All right, you're about to drop off a meter. Rear locker in. Both lockers. You should have like... That's it. Go a bit more and I'll come down in front of you. Big girl's flexy. Just stay there. Stay there. All right, where do we go? Well, the big girl, go hard. Yep. What's that tree? Yeah, that's it, like that. Good line, good line, good line. Keep. Yeah, you're gonna have to, mate, gonna have to. Bit of wheel work. Work the wheel side to side. Yeah, that's it. Yep, towards hard driver. Stop, dig. Rear out. Keep digging. Whoop, that's it, drive it. Back into full drive. Keep going, that's it. Finish, man, finish. Fuck, we did well. Yo! Yeah! Yeah! Night stage as well. Good work, man. Heaps confident now. Yeah! Ah.
That should be no penalties.
No penalties, right?
Yeah, points, yep, no penalties. Yeah. Got 100.
Let's turn the GoPro.